Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to learn something very cute for the upcoming festival of Raksha Bandhan. Yes, this is Avenger and Minion themed Rakhi for kids. They are going to love this Rakhis because it is not one time use and throw. It can be reused as a keychain or a fridge magnet or a paperweight. So it's up to you how you want to reuse it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. So without further ado, let's get started. First we will need this molded clay from Fevicryl. It contains two parts, resin and hardener. We have to mix them in equal proportions. So I'm cutting them in equal parts. The hardener is little bit wet because it's rainy season and it has attracted moisture. Now I will teach you one tip how to measure that both of them are of equal quantities, because that is the first requirement to mix them. So I'm making two balls and checking the size. I'm finding that the black one is little small, that is the hardener is little small, so I'm adding it. Now the resin has become little small, so I'll add it to it. Now my both the balls are of equal size. I'll mix it up and mix it thoroughly. So add talcum powder in your hands so that it doesn't stick to your hands, and knead it properly until both of them mix thoroughly. You can see this marble effect, but we don't want that. We want it to be mixed properly. So this is the right texture that you will get. Now let's make a circle. First we are going to make our minion, so just make a proper circle and give it a little finishing with the talcum powder. Next I'm taking a toothpick to make a hole for inserting our thread for the Rakhi. Now I have created two eyes. I have made first two balls and just flattened them. Now I am using A plus glue to stick this both the balls, which will be the eyes of the minion. Just see to it that it is has finishing touches. Sometimes the fingerprints are there, so we don't want that. So with the help of talcum powder, just make them smooth. If there is any marks on it, be very careful, be very gentle while you make them smooth. It already started looking cute guys. Now I'm just making it, giving it little finishing touches. Now remove the toothpick, because it is important to remove it, otherwise once it dries we can't remove the toothpick. So just remove the toothpick. Now I am making another ball for Captain America's shield. This we need a little bit of spherical shape, so for that I am using this cap. Apply talcum powder on both the sides and just flatten it. Now to get the spherical shape, just place it on top of any cap that you have, like this. I have used one Dio's cap. Now make two holes with the help of toothpick. So these are the two methods by which you can make holes for inserting your thread. So whichever method you like, you can go ahead with it. I just want you to give options, so I am showing both the methods, or else you can directly place a ribbon backside but it is not very sturdy, so for that I have used holes. Now I am applying ultramarine blue on the eyes, and I have drew Captain American shield's outline, and now I am adding red color. You have to be very gentle when you make this because the shape is really important here. As it is a shield, we have to make the circles properly. Try to be patient here while you do this and enjoy the process. Very important, guys. I always ask you to not forget to enjoy the process. As you are going to gift it to your brothers, it has to have the special feeling of love and care while you make it. It will become a special memory for you that you have tied a Rakhi which was handmade, and that will give a really special feeling to your brothers, guys. If kids are small, then they can take help of their parents to do this finishing. I have taken lemon yellow color and I am applying on the minion. You have to apply, guys, 2 coats of lemon yellow because with 1 coat it is a little bit transparent. And important thing you should remember is let the first layer dry, and on top of that add the second layer. So you have to have little patience for it to dry, or you can use the dryer. So I'm done with the 2 coats. Now I am using 3D liner of black color. It's from Fevicryl. You can use any brand, that's up to you. Or you can, if you don't have this 3D liner, you can use our acrylic color with the thin brush, like how I am applying the spectacles. I am giving the finishing for the spectacles of minion. Now with the help of brush, I am taking the back side of it and applying this eyes of minion. You have to be little gentle and see to it that they are in proper circle shape. Now take the black color and place the eyeballs. Isn't it looking cute, guys? I'm just loving it. So kids are going to love both this Rakhi, whichever is their favorite character, you can go ahead with that. Now I'm inserting the wool with the help of a needle and tie a knot from both the sides so that it is fixed in the middle. And I have used this cotton thread for Captain America's shield. You can use any thread of your choice, it's your wish. So make holes accordingly. If your thread is going to be little thick, then make a little thicker hole. So this is how it's going to look. On my hand it is not looking that cute, but I'll show you in a while on my daughter's hand. It's going to look cute on both girl as well as boy's hand. So it's not limited up to your brothers. Even brothers can create it for their sisters. Do comment below if you like this Rakhis, and let me know if you want to learn DIY gifts for Rakhi. And there is already one playlist in my channel where I have showed DIY gifts. You can check them. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone, and do tag me on your Instagram stories if you create this Rakhis. Happy Raksha Bandhan, guys. Adieu all. Bye bye.